Let's organize my shoe cabinet. Let's organize my shoe cabinet. This is my shoe cabinet. This is my shoe cabinet. I open the shoe cabinet. I open the shoe cabinet. There are so many shoes. There are so many shoes. I take out all the shoes. I take out all the shoes. I put them on the floor. I put them on the floor. These are winter boots. These are winter boots. I wear winter boots in cold weather. I wear winter boots in cold weather. I clean the winter boots. I clean the winter boots. I put the winter boots in a storage box. I put the winter boots in a storage box. Now I store the winter boots. Now I store the winter boots. These are rain boots. These are rain boots. I wear rain boots on rainy days. I wear rain boots on rainy days. I wipe the rain boots. I wipe the rain boots. I put them on the top shelf. I put them on the top shelf. These are sneakers. These are sneakers. I wear sneakers for walking. I wear sneakers for walking. I wear sneakers for shopping. I wear sneakers for shopping. I brush the sneakers carefully. I brush the sneakers carefully. I put them on the middle shelf. I put them on the middle shelf. These are sandals. These are sandals. I wear sandals in summer. I wear sandals in summer. I wear sandals on hot days. I wear sandals on hot days. I clean the sandals. I clean the sandals. I put the sandals next to the sneakers. I put the sandals next to the sneakers. These are slippers. These are slippers. I wear slippers at home. I wear slippers at home. I put the slippers on the bottom shelf. I put the slippers on the bottom shelf. These are high heels. These are high heels. I wear high heels to parties. I wear high heels to parties. I clean the high heels carefully. I clean the high heels carefully. I put them on the top shelf. I put them on the top shelf. Now the shoe cabinet looks organized. Now the shoe cabinet looks organized. I close the shoe cabinet. I close the shoe cabinet. All sentences are in the free PDF. Download and practice with me in 10 minutes a day. Thank you for organizing with me today. See you in the next video.